Hi, Crystal here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to make sponge fruit cake. The idea was inspired by my daughter. Father's Day is here, and she wants to do something special for her dad. Our family does not have the house chore for allowance, so she does not have money to spend. Instead of making craft cards like in the past, she came up with the idea making a sponge fruit cake she recently learned. It's a big project for 11 years old, but I have no reason to say no to it. It turned out took her, myself, and my son from start to finish around 3 hours to make the cake. It might not be the prettiest cake, but I hope it will be a sweet memory of her childhood when she grows up. Now let's get started. Here's the ingredients we used. The first step is to separate the egg whites from egg yolks. This is how she does it. She's having a lot of fun of doing her way. And this is how I do it. I'm just not very comfortable to grab the squishy egg with my hands. So I use the eggshells. Which one do you prefer? Either way works. No matter which way you like, do it 4 times. And next, we're gonna foaming the egg white. This is the labor-intensive process. We also squeeze half lemon juice in for fresh fruity taste. Keep blending until it really foams up. To the point when you lift the blender, nothing drips. Then we move on to the egg yolks. Beat the egg yolks. Add 8 tablespoons milk. Keep mixing. Add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Now take 1½ all-purpose flour. Add 2 teaspoons baking powder. Batch by batch, add into the egg yolk mix. Stir until the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients are evenly mixed together. A lot of mixing work. The next step, we dump the mix into the egg white foam. Keep mixing. Add half cup of sugar. Mix again until it looks very smooth. Preheat the oven to 320 Fahrenheit. We use an 11 by 7 inch rectangular baking pan. She used the butter to coat the side of the pan, and she cut out the baking sheet. Dump half of the cake mix in the pan. That's for one layer. Spread it out to fill the pan. You will need 2 layers for the whole cake. The baking time is about 20 minutes. When it's baking, prepare the frosting. 1½ cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of sugar. Combine them together. Add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. And mixing until it foams up. Looks like she has a lot of fun of mixing. And my son joined us to peel the cuties. When the baking time is over, take the cake out of oven and time to decorate. Add the cream on the first layer. Cover the whole base. Then arrange the cutie slices on top. Add extra cream for the second layer. More cream and more cutie slices. After the decoration, cut off the rough edges and slice the cake into small rectangle pieces. And it's done. It has the mild sweet taste, which is healthier than the store-bought super sweet cake. And it's easy to make. We use all the ingredients in the house. Paired with the white tea or Earl Grey tea, it's a pretty good choice for Sunday afternoon dessert. If an 11-year-old kid can make it, it should not be that difficult. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.